Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kanishka.
So even in our school, we have also started the thermodynamics.
Same thing.
Yes,
How
sir.
much? How much they have completed?
Just like the sir has just started from yesterday only, and they are just like running like a cheetah.
They are
My
running very
God.
fast.
Yes, sir. I mean, today we had only 3 periods for the chemistry, but they have taken four because 2 periods were for practicals and 2 periods for for the studying.
Hmm.
So they were teaching like non-stop only. They just like whenever the period gets over, they don't leave the class. Just children just keep waiting when he will leave the class. Even we hadn't our lunch properly today. That
Hmm.
period was our practical period. He said first complete this, write down all these notes, and then you will go.
Hmm.
We just reached the class at 11:15, and we had only 5 minutes left for our break.
Yeah. Oh.
And I was so sleepy today just because of this chapter. Non-stop studying.
Did you understand anything?
No, sir.
Actually, too much of studying at one go, na, it becomes hectic for students.
Yes, sir.
So you have to get the daily means you have to get some part means the some few quantities of note this one information at regular intervals. Then only you will be able to retain information.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
I was like just teachers are continuous. They don't mind if the bell rings or not. Teacher comes, then he will say to the teacher 5 to 10 minutes. Oh my God. Every student just give up. I just start giving up after 20 minutes.
अच्छा वे एक मिनट रुकना.
Yes, sir.
Then we were studying
Thermodynamics. I guess we
first
were last at the second law.
first law. No, first law we were actually in the last class. I remember I told you that zeroth law of thermodynamics is actually important,
Yes, sir.
but
Oh, yeah, we were doing first law.
first law of thermodynamics is actually more important because on the basis of this only you do so many calculations. Okay, so let me start with the sign convention. Actually, I was telling you that sign convention we'll learn first, and then we'll move on to study the processes.
Sir,
Okay,
Radhika won't be joining anymore.
I don't know. Means because her father said, "Sir, we will inform you when she will rejoin." But her father did not tell me till now.
Oh, I thought after Diwali she would be joining.
I don't know. But actually, it's too much time, na? Too much of the means in physics and mathematics also too much of this is completed, and she has means she's absent for too longer period of time. I may
I
not be.
com-
If her father says to rejoin again, then also I won't, because I will have to cover so much of syllabus for her. Chemistry, it's okay. It's not much is completed. But physics and mathematics, I won't be able to cover for her.
Yes, so that would
Like,
be very difficult.
it's very difficult. Now you are not studying for, you are studying for IIT, JEE. You are not studying for school examination. And problem with her was she was actually not able. I said to you know she was not able to cope up with the means she were have she. I think she has already joined physics wala also. The online classes are there no?
Yeah,
On YouTube, or so many students actually study that
yes, sir.
course. That course, she said to me, that course also she had. She was going
Oh,
to school also from morning to evening, and then his father also used to say to me that she used to play table tennis also.
oh God.
This is actually not the time to play. This period is actually very crucial. Then after doing this much of things, you won't be getting time actually. It will be difficult for you to be consistent in your classes. That may be the problem. They may be thinking something else, that in sometimes what students do, they try to cover the syllabus of 11th and 12th both when they feel like they do in the class 12th. They study class 12th, na? They may be thinking like that.
Yes, sir. That's
But
very difficult in
um,
managing this
hmm,
much.
it's very difficult. And then that too, it's up. I don't know what she is doing. I haven't asked also.
Only rare people have very talent that who can manage all these things. Like
Actually,
in my
actually, you have to see in these 2 years, na. In these 2 years, you have to actually leave all those things like playing games and joining the tournament. You have so much of time in your life after this, because class 11th and class 12th, only these 2 years are there when you can do so much of hard work in your studies. And then after that, how you perform in your JEE examination, that will decide which college you'll get.
yes,
And
sir.
this period, that's why in this period also, if you are not consistent, it will hamper. I don't know what their parents may be thinking, because he has a brother, elder brother also. His elder brother was also studying with me. He actually got very good result. He was studying for the last 3 months. Means when he was actually a student of them and their classes, VMC, you must be knowing,
Yes, sir.
student of VMC, and then he was not able to score well. Then after 3 months were left for JEE main, he joined,
Yes.
and then he got very good result. He's in bits no VIT Vellore,
Oh,
VIT Vellore, and he only recommended her. Actually, she was trying to join from class 10th, but I do not teach students of class 10th. Then
oh,
she may be thinking, actually she may be, because I have means the her brother has got very good result na. She may be thinking, and her parent may be thinking, that she can relax for a bit in class 11, then from class 12 she will join and she will cope up, because I teach in a way, because her brother could do very well in 3 months only, and they must be thinking that class 12 she will start. But then I won't, because well, she has been left for a very long time, no?
I guess 1 month.
1 month is over.
Yes, sir.
I
So
won't rejoin her. The sign convention, see, the sign convention is you have to be continuous in your studies. Sign convention, delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W, where delta Q is the heat exchange, delta U is the change in the internal energy, and delta W is the work done. Now, what the sign convention says, we'll go top this one means heat. First we'll discuss about heat, then internal energy, then work done. Sign convention for heat is, if delta Q is positive, means heat is absorbed. You know Haripriya, Tanishka.
yes, sir.
Haripriya Haripriya also she was recommended. She was recommended by one of my past student last year, and the last year student also scored very well. So Her parents recommended Haripriya to me, and they said she's very hardworking, and Haripriya is actually very consistent in her classes. She never loses even one class. And she scored very well in her class 10th also. I think she was the topper. He got 100% marks, I think.
In CBSE exam.
Mm. So sign convention for heat is sign convention for heat is delta Q is positive when heat is absorbed. Delta Q is positive when heat is absorbed, and delta Q is negative when heat is lost. We take the sign as negative when heat is lost, and when we take the sign as positive when heat is absorbed. Okay. Now this is for heat,
Yes, sir.
and now for internal energy. Just wait. I open this door. Now internal energy is what? Internal energy is represented by delta U. Its value is NCV delta T. What is this internal energy, Kanishka? Internal energy is actually, if you take a gas, inside the gas there will be molecules which will be vibrating, atoms and molecules which will be vibrating and moving. So the total energy that it will contain is kinetic energy, rotational energy, translational energy, all those kinds of energy. So all those kinds of energy combined is known as the internal energy. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and that
So it
value,
can also contain the potential energy also or not?
yes, yes, potential
So
energy is also, it can have the kinetic energy also,
so
every kind of energy.
basically it can have both. If it has potential and kinetic, so it can have mechanical energy.
Can have mechanical energy.
Okay.
And vibrational also, we have not studied about vibrational energy and all. Vibrational energy is also possible for that. So all kinds of energy that a molecule can possess is known as the internal energy. And that value of internal energy is actually, they say it is NCV delta T, where N is what? N is the number of moles of gas. Delta T is the change in temperature. And CV is the specific heat capacity. This must be new to you.
Yes.
Capacity at constant volume. Now let me tell you about. See, the good thing is,
Yes, sir.
whatever may be the process, you may be after this. I'll be teaching you many kinds of processes, like constant pressure process, which is called
Yes, sir.
isobaric, or your sir must have told you isobaric. Constant volume process, that is isochoric process.
No,
And
not yet.
no, not that. Acha. But after this, we will discuss about all these kinds of processes: isobaric, isochoric, isothermal process, constant temperature process, and
Okay.
adiabatic process. These four or five types of processes are there, but
In this
every
chapter.
in this chapter.
Okay.
But in every process, everything will change. Means this heat will change, work done will be changed. Work done, I'll be telling
Yes,
you
sir.
after this. Heat will be changing, work done will be changing, everything will be changing. But the value of the internal energy, it
Yes, sir.
always remains the same. It's the delta U is equal to NCV delta T. The formula never changes.
It's constant.
It's same value.
Okay.
If it changes only when the temperature is being changed,
Okay.
delta T. Otherwise, it remains the same because the CV value remains constant. It depends on the type of gas. That I'll tell you now. Okay.
Okay.
So remember, this formula always remains the same for every process. Now, talking about CV, CV is a specific heat capacity at constant volume. Like that, we have CP also. CP is specific heat capacity at constant pressure. Now, I'll give you one table in which through which you can memorize. I'll give you a very good method to remember that table also. See how the table is.
Yes, sir. I will just note it down.
Just note it down. These values you should remember actually what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
writing here. This CP. See, this is gas type. This is CV. This is CP. This is gamma. And what is gamma? Gamma is actually the ratio of
I,
CP by CV.
I guess gamma is also there in the maths.
No, no, no. This is
Oh, no,
different
no,
gamma.
like alpha, beta, and gamma.
Ah, actually,
That's what I was talking about.
this is same gamma in notation, but this gamma is different actually. This gamma is known as actually the ratio of specific heat capacity.
Okay.
Ratio of specific heat capacity. And see, always there is one relation also. CP minus CV is equal to R. You know about gas constant?
Uh, I guess I forgot.
In gas laws, na, when you will study, I'll teach you about the gas laws, the properties of matter and all. There is a gas constant. PV is equal to nRT. That relation, you know.
Ye- Yes, sir.
PV is equal to nRT is a relation in which, or if you do not know also, not a problem, just remember this is a constant R. This
Yes, sir.
constant R is known as the gas constant. It's actually same for all the ideal gases. Okay,
Yes.
this value is CP minus. You need not have to actually memorize this at all. The value of R, I'll tell you in the chemistry. I'll tell you what is the value of R. It is two values. There are 0.0. One is 8.314, and one is 0.023. Gas constant.
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
was just sharing.
8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. I'll write the values also. Is R, and in the liter atmosphere it is different. 0.0821 liter atmosphere
Yes, sir.
per mole Kelvin. One more value is used, but it's rarely used, which is 1.987 calorie per mole Kelvin. Mostly you will be using, whenever you need it in joules, you will be using this value. Otherwise, in liter atmosphere, you will be using this value. Okay, these values. But important thing is this relation, that Cp minus Cv is always equal to R. This you should remember. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now talking about this, the table, gas type, the
Mm.
type of gases which I'm going to tell you is, there are three different type of gases, which is, one is monoatomic,
Oh, these gases I know.
uh,
Monatomic,
diatomic,
diatomic, tetatomic.
triatomic, and tetratomic.
Yes, sir.
In
These
your
gases I know. These,
it,
like, I have been studying from the ninth
mm,
class.
monatomic, diatomic. Monatomic means the gas which has
Mo-
only one atom.
One atom. Diatomic
Diatomic
means
means
two,
two atoms are there in a molecule.
and
Triatomic means
tri
there are
means three.
three atoms are there in a molecule.
So
Well,
it is there is any like polyatomic or not?
polyatomics are also there.
Okay.
It's not that we restrict our gases up to here only, but four atoms molecule can be there, tetraatomic or pentatomic, hexaatomic, polyatomic. Those gases will also be there, but when you will be solving questions now,
Yes,
they
sir.
won't give more than this. They won't give more than this, and if they give, I'll uh, tell you how to solve that also after
Okay.
this. But how we remember, actually, we just remember one value, this one. For monatomic, Cv is 3R by 2.
Okay.
But because, and just mark it like this is 3R by 2, because you will be remembering only this one. This is 3R by 2. And now,
Yes, sir.
because you know this relation Cp minus Cv is R, so what will be Cp? R plus 3R by 2, which will be 5R by 2.
Yes.
So gamma
That's
will
what
be,
the monoatomic on.
so gamma is Cp by Cv, 5 by 3, and it is 1 point some 67 something, no?
Yes, sir.
5 by 3, which is 1.67. Now coming to diatomic, the value of Cp which was there for the monatomic gas,
Yes, sir.
this is the value of Cv for the diatomic gas,
Okay.
5R by 2. And now if you want to add find out the value of Cp, again do Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So this will
Mm.
be 7R by 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now gamma value is 7 by 5, which will
Yes.
be 7 by 5 is 1.4, I think. Now
Okay.
again coming to triatomic gas, the value of Cp for the diatomic is Cv for the triatomic.
Yes, sir.
Easy to, now you can remember now.
Yeah, it's easy. Like,
Mhm.
it's simple.
Very simple.
Yes. It's
Just
like
you have
the
to,
conversion of them.
conversion. Just you have to remember the first value only, 3R by 2, and then you can go on to write the values.
Yes, sir.
And these values you will have to remember, because whenever they will ask you to find out the internal energy, na, then you will have to use this Cv value. They
Yeah,
will
this.
give, they will, and how you will find out which Cv you have to use, they'll give in the question whether it is a monatomic gas or diatomic gas or triatomic gas.
Yes. Okay. So can we do a one question?
Not now, because the question will be very simple if I give you.
Yeah.
Uh, just let me give the sign convention, then I will take the question.
Okay.
This one I have discussed about heat, internal energy, and then we'll discuss about the work. That's all. Then I'll give you a question.
Okay.
So now, if you talk about polyatomic gas, for polyatomic gas,
It's like four.
no, more than
Yeah, more
3,
than four. Three.
more
Yeah.
than 3. For polyatomic gases, the value of gamma will be 1 plus 2 by F, where what is F? F is degree of freedom. Do you know what is degree of freedom?
No, sir.
Degree of freedom is the number of independent motions that a gas molecule can have.
Yes.
A gas molecule can do. I'll give you an example.
Okay.
Suppose if you take a monatomic gas is one molecule, right? One sphere. Okay, one sphere
Yeah.
atom. It can move in how many directions? Three directions only. One along x-axis, one along y-axis, one along
Mm.
z-axis. It
Yes.
can rotate also, but that rotation we do not count, because that rotation is very small. The sphere is very small, that rotation will be actually combined with the axis only, it's present towards the axis only, so it doesn't matter that much.
So basically, it means that it's very difficult to count or to see that rotation, to see that rotation.
Yes,
Okay.
very good.
Okay.
Correct, that only. So
Yeah.
now, for just check the value, if I have told you for a monatomic gas,
Yes.
the degree of freedom is 3, then we'll try to find out the value of gamma, which is 1 plus 2 by 3. It's what? 5 by 3. It is 1.67 only.
Yes, sir.
We had 1.67 only, that value. Okay? 5 by
Yes,
3.
sir.
So I have just told you how to use this formula using degree of freedom,
Yes,
but
sir.
don't worry. Whenever they will be giving you questions na, for a polyatomic
Yes, sir.
gas, they will be giving you for this polyatomic gas, the degree of freedom is how much.
Yes, sir.
That value they'll give you. So, acha, after you know this value, the thing is, you know the degree of freedom for a polyatomic gas, you can find out the value of gamma. But problem is, if you know the gamma, how you will find out the Cp and Cv? Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I divide this whole equation with Cv, what I'll get? Cp by Cv minus 1 is equal to R by Cv. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But Cp by Cv is gamma. Gamma minus 1 is R by Cv. So we have got the value of Cv in terms of gamma. This relation you should remember.
Yes, sir.
Or once, if you know how to find out, just find out if they ask R by gamma minus 1 is Cv, and they're asking you Cp, then Cp will be R plus Cv, which is R plus R by gamma minus 1, which is gamma R by gamma minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So these two results you should remember. Cp is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1,
Yes,
and
sir.
Cv is R by gamma minus 1. This
Okay.
helps. This helps for polyatomic gases mostly, in which you know only the degree of freedom, and you have to find out the
Yes, sir.
value of Cp and Cv. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is about Cp and Cv and all. Now let's move on to the work. Sign convention for work.
Okay, sir.
Work sign convention is actually this is for physics and chemistry. They both are different. For physics, actually you will be actually ahead of them, because in chemistry it is done. Thermodynamics is done.
They
Yeah.
both are quite same, I guess. In physics also, there's thermodynamics. I just saw the book yesterday.
So work sign convention, but there is one difference in sign convention of physics and chemistry only in work, where you have to be careful.
Yes,
When
sir.
we talk about chemistry,
Are they both different in like chemistry and physics sign
yes,
convention?
sign convention is different.
Okay.
In chemistry, work done by gas
Okay, so
is negative.
and in physics it's positive.
In physics, it's positive.
Just a guess.
uh, Work done on the gas is positive, and it's vice versa for physics. If I write about physics also, I should not write about physics here, but because for the comparison that you do not get confused, I'm writing here work done by gas is positive here, and
And in chemistry it's negative.
work done on the gas
It's negative.
is negative.
Yeah, it will be confusing like in chemistry and physics.
It will be confusing. So I tell you, this is very here you have to be very careful. Chemistry and physics work done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And when you will be solving questions now, you will be actually, this is just the sign convention. Everything this
Mhm.
and this internal energy and this heat, or you have to use only for solving question, you have to use only this equation, delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W, which is first law of thermodynamics, because we are discussing all these things because they are present in the first law of thermodynamics, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't forget.
Okay.
The for this only, for first law of thermodynamics only, we are studying about these things. Let me give you the
Okay.
question then.
Okay.
Hmm. Try solving this question. It's asked in 2021, but it's not that difficult.
Okay, sir.
Try solving it according to chemistry.
Yes, sir. Not by the physics.
Not by physics.
So will be the answer be 50 joules?
50 joule. Wait. System does 200 joule of work. 200. dW plus du is equal to dq. 150. No, why? System, it's chemistry, na? The system does 200 joule of work. System is doing the work. Okay.
Okay, sir.
System means the gas. Gas is doing the work. Work is done by the gas. You should take it as negative, na?
Oh, then minus 50, I guess.
Delta U, no, not minus. Delta U minus 200. This delta Q, see, delta Q is positive plus 150 because it is absorbing heat.
Yes, sir.
Delta W is negative minus 200 because system is doing the work.
Yes, sir.
So delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Let me write it. Wait. Delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W, and delta Q is plus 150. Delta
Yes,
U
sir.
we have to find, delta W is minus 200. So it will be 200 plus 150,
Oh,
350.
I guess I have done it wrong.
Hmm. That's why I said, na, you have to be very careful here, whether it is physics or chemistry. Physics or chemistry. Actually, this question was asked in physics, but I gave you in chemistry.
Oh, so this basically this will be very confusing. Like,
Hmm.
which will be it will be
If
chemistry
they
or
are
physics?
if they have asked you in physics, if you are giving examination JEE main and this question is asked in physics paper,
Yes,
you
sir.
will do differently. It will be plus 200 plus delta U is equal to 150. So delta U will be minus 50.
Okay, sir.
Minus 50 in that case. Minus 50 will be the answer. But if you are doing it in chemistry,
Yes, sir.
350 should be the answer.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, so I guess I need to stay alert on these questions.
I said na, you have to be very alert.
Yes, sir. I guess that's my silly mistake.
Acha, so this question I have given. Okay, let me select few more questions for this.
Okay, sir.
Actually, the questions they actually start numerical question. Actually, they start from the when we do the process. Complete process is done.
Okay, so
Acha, take this question. Take
okay.
this question. This is two questions I'm giving you so that you become comfortable here.
Yes, sir. This time I will not do the mistake.
This time you have to be careful.
Yes, sir.
Try solving this first.
Okay.
First do this, then we can attempt the second one.
Okay, sir.
Array, what is this? There is no
What happened?
option. Hmm. There is
What
no
happened?
option.
In which question?
This question. Option is not correct. What answer you are getting? Just tell me.
That I'm solving.
Just try to solve it and tell me.
Okay, so every option is wrong.
Every option is wrong.
That's crazy.
But done by the system.
Sir, will be the answer 40?
No.
Then what is it? I mean, some calculation error might have done.
Actually, they're saying it is 32, but it should be different. See,
Yes.
work done by the system is 8 joule. Means work done by the system is 8 joule means they may be saying work done by the system on the gas, I think. That way we have to do for this also. System does this kind of work. Work done by the system. No, Kanishka, here also we have to take plus only. Work done by the system means the system is doing work on the gas.
Now it's making us confused.
It's making us confused. So here also you'll get the same answer actually. 200, 150. Actually, you said correctly. The answer should be minus 50 only.
Oh,
Hmm.
I guess this chemistry physics
Hmm.
concept is very confusing.
The correct answer is correct. Delta U must be minus 50 here. Here, when they're saying na work done by the system, means work done by the system on the gas.
Yes, sir.
Work done by the system on the gases, they say 8 joule. That means we have to take work done as positive. Delta W is plus 8 joule. Okay. Now delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W we have. And delta U we have to find. Delta Q is 40 joule of heat is supplied to it. Supplied to it means it is absorbing. So plus 40 joule is equal to delta U plus 8. So delta U will be 40 minus 8, which should be 32 joule. Correct.
Okay. Oh, this is very
Hmm.
confusing. I guess
See,
question was right.
question was right.
Wait, we have to just clear this concept that in chemistry I
Hmm.
said work done by gas that will be negative and work done on the gas will be positive. And
Hmm.
it's vice versa in physics. Work done by gas will be positive and work done on gas will be negative.
Hmm. But when they are saying the system is doing work, system
Yes,
is
sir.
doing work means the system is doing work on the gas.
So
Gas is
it
inside. Gas is inside. This is a system. Gas is
yes.
inside. So the system is doing work means system is doing work on the gas. So work is done on the gas. That's why you have to take it positive.
Oh,
Okay.
these
Hmm.
questions are very tricky. Like only the that confusing is that why the gas or on the gas.
Uh, Similar way, you can try it at home. Try this one
Okay.
at home. This
Okay, I
question
will
you
do it
can try.
for homework.
Do it.
I will.
Do it at homework.
Okay, so
Okay. Let's end it then.
yes, so no
Bye
class
bye.
I them. Bye,
Hmm.
sir.